Hi, welcome to the mathcenter.com. In this video, we are going to continue with our problem that we started with, mechanics question, the question that appeared on your specimen exam 2020. Let's continue. This is going to be 6-part. A and B we are finished, so we look at C and D in this video. Let's see. Part C says we are asked to find the set of values of t for which the acceleration of this particle p is positive. So acceleration is positive. Yeah. So we know acceleration is dv dt. Yeah. So looking at the three, one quadratic, one constant, and one linear function, we don't have to worry about the constant function because their acceleration is 0. Okay. And then we don't have to worry about the linear function because the acceleration there is less than 0. Okay, if you take dv dt here, you'll get -2. That's less than 0, so it's negative. So the only part where you can have acceleration positive is when you deal with the quadratic function. So dv dt here, let me write v first. Okay, v is given as 5t squared minus 10t. So dv dt will be 10t minus 10. So acceleration is positive, so let's write it here. 10t minus 10 is positive. Okay, therefore 10t is bigger than 10. Therefore t is bigger than 1. So for what set of values of t is the acceleration positive? For t less than 4, bigger than 1. And we are done. If you write this as less than or equals to 4, it's no big deal. Okay, it's no big deal. But it must be bigger than 1, less than 4. This is your correct answer. So that's done with part C. Part D, I'm going to erase the board. Okay. Okay. For part D, they ask you to find the total distance traveled in this interval from 0 to 20. So let me just refer you to the graph that we drew earlier. It's still on the board. The total distance will be the total area below the graph. So which means you need this part, you need this part, you need this part, and you need this part. So there are 4 pieces here. We are trying to find the area. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So this part here, I'm not going to work it out. You work it out yourself. I'll just give you. This part will be 0 to 2 negative v dt. Careful, yeah, because this is negative v dt. Okay, it's below the t-axis. And then this one here will be, let me write it down here, okay? This one here will be from 2 to 4 v dt. You know v, right? Because v is what? 5t times t minus 2. Again, v is 5t times t minus 2. If it's minus v, then it just becomes 10t minus 5t squared. If it is v, then it's just 5t squared minus 10t. No big deal, yeah? So you do that yourself. And then this part here, that's the easy part. We have got this one here is 40, okay? This part here, the whole thing is 40. And this part here, 14 minus 4 is 10. That's the easy part, 400, okay? And then this part here is the trapezium. So this whole length is 40 plus this length here is 28 divided by 2. I'm using the area of the trapezium times the height of the trapezium. 20 minus 14 is 6. So you work this out, do some integration, plug in the values, do some integration, plug in the values, do some integration, excuse me. This one I've already done it here for you. It's just 40 times 10, 400. And then of course this one here is just the area of a trapezium. Plug the numbers into your calculator, work it out. Don't forget to add them up and you'll get your final answer. And we are done. So thank you very much for watching. Please share this video as much as you can. Give it a like and please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for watching.